Today I am going to teach you a very famous poem, The Road Not Taken. It is written by Robert Frost, and Robert Frost was an American poet. In the poem The Road Not Taken, the road symbolizes our life. The poet says that the path that we don't choose in our life is the road not taken. He describes his feelings about that choice that he had left in the past. The path which we have chosen decides our future, our destination. The important message that the poet wants to give is that the choice that we make has an impact on our future, and if we make a wrong choice, we regret it but cannot go back on it. So we must be wise while making choices. Now, suppose after class 10, when you have to take admission in class 11, on that time you have also three roads like arts, science and commerce. On that time you all have to very careful while choosing one road. Either you have to choose arts, science or commerce, anyone. Okay. Now come to the poem. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Now the poet was standing at a junction in a yellow forest. Here yellow forest means the season of autumn season, because in the autumn season the leaves fall from the trees and the whole forest become yellow. So on that time the poet was standing at a place from where two roads separated in two different directions. The poet feels sorry that being a traveler, he could not walk on both the road at the same time. So he was telling, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler long I stood. It means that the poet is telling that he was only one traveler and there are two roads are there, so he can't travel on both the roads. So he stood there for a long time looking at the road down as far as he could. The road then bent and disappeared from his eyes in bushes. Second stanza. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as far that the passing there had worn them really about the same. Then the poet took the other road, which was as beautiful as the first road. The second road presented a better option for the poet because it was grassy and had not worn off due to walking of the travelers. It means that very few people has taken that road. As far as the question of their being worn due to walking of the traveler, both of them had worn in the same way. Means both the roads are same. Now next. And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Both the road lay in front of the poet, almost same condition. They were covered with the fallen leaves, and the leaves had not been blackened by the steps of the walkers. The leaves still lay there uncrushed by the steps. The poet left the first road thinking that he would use it on some other day. Means, oh, I kept the first for another day. When he was thinking, so he knew that how one way leads to another, and he would go so far from the first road that he doubted if he would ever come back to walk on it. Means the poet knew very well that once he had already chosen the second road and he had walked a long distance, so it's not possible for him to come again and walk on the first road. No, stanza 4. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Now, he says that in the future, he will take a deep breath. Here the word used, I shall be telling this with a sigh, means taking a deep breath and say that once upon a time he had reached such a point in life that there were two options for him, and he travelled on that road which had been travelled upon by very few number of people. Means he had chosen the toughest road, and that decision of his decide his future. Means the poet already know that after a long time I had already chosen the very difficult path, but that path leads me to the success. Similarly, in future, when you grow up, then you will also say that once upon a time, when you were young, you had also two options like science, commerce, arts, or anyone. The choice that you made you what you become of it. This is a very strong message for all the students that you should be wise and be careful while making choice out of the options that you have in your life, because your future depends on the choice that you make today. Now see some important word meaning. Diverged means separated. Yellow wood, the forest turned yellow in autumn. Bent, took a turn. Wanted wear, has not been used and worn so frequently. Trodden means walked. Sigh, deep breath. Edges and edges, after many years. Hence, from now. Undergrowth, bushes and low trees. Thank you. Have a nice day.